Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Adobe Illustrator settings. And in today's video, I'll show you how to Illustrator GPU performance to stop Illustrator nagging and fast export or rendering of your project in Adobe Illustrator. Let me show you how. So the very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to the Home tab right here where you have Edit tab. Go ahead and click on that. Then the next thing you want to do is to come down below right here where you have Preferences. So go ahead and click on Preferences. Next thing you want to do is to simply navigate to Performance tab right here. Click on Performance tab. And this window here is going to pop up right here. In some cases, if your GPU performance is not enabled, go ahead and make sure you check on that. Then once you check on that, then the assigned dedicated graphics you have on the system is going to be displaying right here. So this particular PC here is running on 5500 Intel HD graphics card. Okay, next thing you want to do is to come down below right here and then make sure you hit on OK. Lastly, if you are using Windows PC, you have to assign graphics dedicated for Illustrator from your graphics setting on your Windows PC. So for that, if you are using Windows PC, whether Windows 10 or Windows 11, go ahead and come down below right here. For every Windows 10 user, right click on your Start menu. So every Windows 11 user, go to your Start menu as well. And then what you want to do here is to locate Settings. The next thing you want to do is to navigate to System right here. Go ahead and click on System. The next thing you want to do is to scroll down right here. Come down below right here. Go ahead and click on Graphics Settings. Then here you go. Next thing you want to do is to click on here and make sure Desktop is selected. Then go ahead and click on Browse. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and select your Illustrator shortcuts. Go ahead and click on Add. The next thing you want to do is to click on Options. Go ahead and select High Performance GPU Intel HD Graphics 5005 High Performance. Go ahead and hit on Save. It's that simple. Next thing you want to do is to restart your PC and relaunch your Adobe Illustrator, and the performance is going to be drastically improved. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Illustrator software, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.